session. So we focus on when we focus on the length of time, there is often little difference in meaning between simple, present perfect simple, and present perfect continuous forms, but we don't normally use the continuous to talk about states. We don't. Like understanding, like agreeing, like knowing someone, guys. Absolutely, because it is about a state. We don't usually use the continuous with these verbs. So this is why in the beginning, guys, we explain the difference between state and an action. Yes, exactly. Okay. Okay, so I think it's the time to complete. You asked me about a sentence, Ibrahim. What is it? الجرم المشهود.
Yes.
Yeah, it's flagrant crime. Flagrant crime. Okay. We shall now try to practice a little
Can we
bit.
say, I'm sorry,
Yes, Ali.
can we say blood-handed? Like,
Bloody-handed or blooded or blood. It's like an adjective. Blood-handed. Okay,
yeah.
we have a hyphen. Blood-handed. Yes, but I think we shall have. Yes, it's acceptable, by the way. Blood-handed. I loved it. Thank you, Ali. This is an adjective. Two words are used as one word, which is an adjective, and you use the hyphen. Yes, this is for advanced. Okay. Now we have to manage and practice the exercise, which is 4A. Let's try, guys, to underline the correct option to complete the sentences below. Sometimes both options are acceptable or possible. Number one is already solved. I have been knowing my best friend for the most of my life. Absolutely, guys. The verb know doesn't accept the ing, so don't use it with the present perfect continuous. Okay? Now, two. I've had or I've been having this hairstyle for 2 days now.
I've had.
I've had. Yes.
Right.
Exactly. So it's a state. There is no action approximately. Three. I've studied or I've been studying English for more than 5
Been studying.
years. I have been studying.
Been studying.
Yes. And I can say, yes, I have studied. It's acceptable in some places, yes. 4. He has slept or he has been sleeping for 6 hours.
He's been sleeping.
To be honest, guys, both of them are acceptable. Let me give you an example. Let's imagine that I slept for 6 hours and I woke up. After waking up, I feel a little bit dizzy. Yes, I feel a little bit dizzy. I can say, because I have slept for 6 hours, I feel dizzy. Yes, the present perfect is
If he's
acceptable.
still, if he is still
Bravo,
sleeping,
Saria.
or he
Exactly.
he has been sleeping.
Yeah, so both of them are acceptable. Thank you so much. And here, both of them are acceptable.
And even number 3 here.
We've eaten at that restaurant twice. We have, no, I cannot say we have been eating, Ibrahim. Do you know why, guys?
I mean number 3. Both
yes.
cases.
Yes, both of them are acceptable, exactly. Yes. What about 5? We have eaten or we have been eating?
We have eaten.
Why?
لأنه restaurant twice.
Because I'm talking about number of times, Bravo. If you are talking about number of times, be careful. You have to use the present perfect. Thank you so much. Yes. And absolutely, we are not eating right now. I'm talking about the number of times. 6. I've lived or I have been living in the same house since I was born.
I have been living.
I have been living. If
I've
I'm
lived.
living, yes. Yes.
And
Hmm.
I've lived.
I live. Do you know something? I can give you an example, guys. Let's imagine that Rima now is traveling to USA. If someone asked her about the place she's living in and she wants to talk about Lebanon, she has to say, I have
She
lived.
has lived.
Because
Yes.
now she's not in Lebanon, exactly. But if she is in Lebanon and someone asks her in Lebanon, yes,
Okay.
she has to say, I have been living here for or since I was born. This is a good example to differentiate between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, so that is the exercise 4A. And I think now we have another one. Okay, I think I have to do it twice as usual because here we have to complete the exercise. Okay, now guys, we have to form questions out of these sentences. Absolutely, I have to know how to ask questions in the present perfect and the present perfect continuous. Okay, so the exercise is saying use how long and how many to write the questions that match the sentences in 4A. So these are the sentences in 4A that we have just done them. This is it. Yes. And I have to form now questions about these sentences. So again, guys, I have to use how long and how many to write the questions about the sentences in 4A. This is 4A. Number one, guys, about the first sentence is already done. For us, how long have you known your best friend? I have known him. I have known him for most of my life. Now, what is the question for sentence number two? I have had this hairstyle for 2 days now.
How long
How long?
have you?
How long? Okay, bravo, because I'm talking
How
about
long
thank you so much.
have?
Yes.
Yes. Have
Uh-huh.
you? Yes. Ha,
Bravo, Brahim.
have you?
Complete.
Have you had
How long have you had
Bravo. How long have you
this
had?
hairstyle?
Thank you so much. How long have you had this hairstyle? Thank you so much. Had this hairstyle. Thank you. That's amazing. Now, what do you think about three?
How long? How
How
long have you been studying English?
Bravo. How long have you been studying English? If now we are studying English, so how long have you
If
been?
not now, how long have studied?
Bravo, bravo. How long have
Have you
you
studied?
been
Studied.
studying? Thank you so much. Have you
Okay.
been studying or studied instead of been is acceptable. Thank you so much. Be careful about
how
making
Also, how
or
now? How long?
how long what?
How long has he slept?
Because I'm
no?
talking
How
about
many
time.
hours?
How many
How many
hours is it?
hours?
But the answer is 6 hours. Okay, how many hours is acceptable, Brahim? And how long is acceptable?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm.
How many hours? Thank you. How long have you been sleeping is acceptable? And how many hours have you slept? Or have you been sleeping? But I can't say have you been sleeping because absolutely, if I want to ask the question, the person should wake up. Okay. Uh, number five.
How many?
How many? Why? Because I'm talking about number
How
of
many?
time. Bravo,
Twice.
Sari.
Okay.
How many times?
Okay.
How many times?
Have we been
Uh,
eating?
no.
Have we been eaten? Have
Have you
we
had?
eaten?
Bravo. How
Have we
many
eaten?
times have you eaten or have
Eaten.
we? It is acceptable.
Eaten.
Okay. Bravo, bravo. Have you eaten in this restaurant? I have eaten in this restaurant twice, 3 times, 4 times. So because I'm talking about the number of times, I have to use how many. Bravo. Finally,
How
6.
long?
How
How
long? I'm
long?
talking
How
about the
long
period. Bravo. Period of time. How
have
long
you
what?
lived? Have
Have you
you lived?
lived? Bravo. How long have you lived here or in
Mm,
the same house?
How?
So I have been living here or I have lived since I was born. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. So this is it. This is about exercise number 6. And finally, guys, don't forget the difference between since and for. Because if you are talking about a specific period of time, you have to use since. And if you are talking about not specific of time, you have to use for. Okay,
Period
so
of
since
time.
for, yes, for a point of time or the starting of a time. For example, since I
A
was young.
specific date.
Bravo. Okay. For, so this is the example for 18 years. I didn't specify the year. If you want to say since, for example, you have to say since 1999, for example. So now, because I specified the date or the year exactly, I have to use since. But here, because I didn't specify the exact year, I used for 18 years. Okay. For 6 months. But if you want to specify the month, since June, since July, okay? For 1 week. But if you want to specify the day, since Sunday, since Monday, okay? So this is it. Please don't forget it because this is one of the most or of the common mistakes the students commit. Now we have to speak naturally. Now let's try, guys, to listen to how we pronounce the underlined words. Absolutely, it is about have because in the present perfect and in the present perfect continuous, we have to use have or has. Even have or has, I have to pronounce as the speaker is going to pronounce now. This is 22. So let's listen to the pronunciation of this sentence. How long have you known him? And how many times have you met? And because I'm talking about the number of times, I use the present perfect. Be careful. And here, because I'm talking about a state, I use present perfect. Again, be careful. Okay, so this is 22. Let's listen to 22.
Track 22. 1,
How long have you known him?
2,
How many times have you met?
Did you notice something, guys? Did you notice the way that he said these sentences?
Yeah.
Yes.
How long
No,
How
have
long
you
give?
known?
how long
It's
give?
like
Bravo. How
if
long
How
give?
degree.
many
How long
times
if
have
Bravo.
you
How
you know,
long give? How long give? How long give you known
you
him?
know, how many
Bravo.
how long
times
How
if
How long
many
have you
you
times
been?
if? How many times
yes.
if? Guys, even if you have has, is the same. How long is she? How long is she? Okay? How long
how
is
long
he?
how long is
Bravo. How long is? How many times she? How long is he? So it is the same. They are not
With
fully pronounced.
abbreviation.
Bravo, because guys, this is an auxiliary. The auxiliary verb shall not be stressed. Okay. Can you try to say them again, Saria?
Okay. How long have you known him?
Bravo.
How many times you met?
times of
Can you say the sentence number 2 again?
How many times have you met?
Bravo. Amazing. This is good. Okay.
Mhm.
Brahim.
how long have you known him? How many times have you met?
Bravo. Thank you so much. So this is if you want to speak naturally. Ali, can you please say them?
Yes, doctor. How long have you known him?
Bravo.
How many times have you met?
Yes, but how what?
How many?
How bravo. Thank you so much, Ali. Hanadi, can you please read these two sentences?
Yes. How long have you known him? How many times have you met?
Ah, you are more natural now. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. So this is, I can say that this is an additional practice because this is if you want to speak naturally, and because it is about speaking, you have to be a little bit fast. Okay, now it is the time to talk. I don't know if you're free to complete or you want me to stop now and complete on Wednesday. What do you think?
Yes.
For me,
I
I
wonder,
prefer
you prefer what, Saria?
to delay to Wednesday.
To practice speaking on Wednesday. Do you
Yes.
agree with Saria,
I agree
Ibrahim,
with
Ali,
Saria.
Hanadi?
Yes.
Okay. One voice more. Ali, do you agree with Ibrahim
Yes,
and
I
Saria?
agree.
We're going there.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. I
Thank
think,
you.
yes, we will do it on Wednesday. And thank you for coming. Alas, Rima isn't here. I wish that she could reach her place safely. Thank you so much, guys. And I have to wish a good night for you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Good night, doctor. Bye.
Bye.